Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 13. You need to begin by opening App Store on both devices. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose Allow access to all photos. Then click on Allow in this pop-up, and Allow or Don't Allow in Notifications one. Then click on Yes, I agree or No thanks, and tap on Close this window. Over here you need to choose OK in the pop-up, and finally select Send on this Apple device at the bottom left corner and Receive on iPhone 13. Then you need to click on Select next to all of your dates, and when you're ready, just send over here. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on iPhone 13, clicking on Allow, OK in this pop-up, and then pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on the Receive button. As you can see now, after a while, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!